Dr. Emu said Governor Okowa had kept his promise to Deltans as all sectors of the state's economy, including education and health, had been upgraded across the 3 senatorial districts. He said over 107 health centers had been remodeled for improved health care, noting that the state's contributory health care scheme would improve health care delivery for the people. The commissioner said the state's 6 technical colleges and teachers training institute had improved education standards in the state.
It also led us into even working on moribund primary health care centers in the rural areas. And of course, primary health care is very critical and even cheaper to handle. So that's even in other school issues other than technical. A lot of infrastructural development, even content issues. Today we have a teacher development center, which is a novelty, which means that 24/7 teachers have been trained upon completion to improve on the quality of what we have on ground. So that's.
Dr. Emu said government had constructed roads, bridges and link roads in the 3 senatorial districts, adding that the water storm drainage project would curb the perennial flooding in Asaba and the city's environs. He said Governor Okowa was keen on checking unemployment through skills acquisition programs.
We have been outstanding in, and when I say outstanding in public works and youth employment, where we have done in excess of 600%. In terms of vegetation, environment, roads, we still keep people who clean